How are you all doing? Um, well, I love you right back. Oh, we're having such a good time. So I never used to talk honestly about this next song because it didn't necessarily paint me in the most flattering of light, but I'm feeling lots of good vibes and lots of love and forgiveness here tonight. So basically, I crossed a line that you are not not supposed to cross. I fell in love with my best friend's ex. That's okay. Easy for you to say. Yeah. So it was completely unexpected, and I was young and dumb and didn't handle it very well. My friend was really, really hurt, no surprise. And she said, I'm going to need some time, which turned into almost a year and a half that we didn't speak at all. And I was devastated thinking that I screwed up and lost my best friend. And one day out of the blue, she phoned me up and asked to meet. And we went out for a walk, and she had told me she met somebody. And we went out about a month later, and she told me she was pregnant. And she's like, do you want to be part of this? I was like, yes, oh my goodness, yes, please. And so I was at the birth of her son, my godson. And then she was at both my daughter's births. I was at her twins' births. We pretty much raised our kids together. We both divorced the guys along the way. And we are still best friends. So I'm very, very thankful that she chose to forgive me and take me back. So that's what this song is about. It's called 80. 80, I do believe I failed you. 80, I know I've let you down. Don't you know I tried so hard to love you in my way. It's easy, let it go. 80, I'm empty since you left me. Trying to find a way to carry on. And I searched myself and everyone to Thank you so much.